everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with MrB and Anna.
Hi friends, I'm Anna.
And I'm Mr. B. Today we have a super useful topic, student daily routine.
Yes, today we will talk about how students can make a good daily routine, stay focused, and study better every day.
And we'll also share some easy English sentences you can practice at home.
That's right. But before we start, please don't forget to
Like
comment.
and subscribe.
Thank you.
Why having a routine is important. Anna, let's start with a question. Why is a routine important for students?
Well, when we have a routine, we feel calm. We know what to do next, no stress.
Exactly. Without a plan, everything feels messy. You forget homework, you wake up late, and oh no, you miss the bus.
Yes, that's not fun. A routine helps you save time and energy.
It also helps you learn faster. When your brain knows your schedule, it says, okay, study time now. Let's go.
Friends, repeat after me. A routine helps me stay organized.
Good. Slowly now. A routine helps me stay organized.
Nice, very clear.
And one more. A routine helps me feel calm.
Great job, everyone. So, remember, a daily routine equals less stress, more success.
Morning routine. Start strong. Okay, Anna, let's talk about mornings. What's your morning routine?
My alarm rings at 6:30. I open one eye, I look at my phone, and I say, 5 more minutes.
Oh no, Mr. B. That's dangerous. Those 5 minutes become 30.
True. But when I wake up early, I feel better. I have more time to prepare, eat breakfast, and plan my day.
Yes, waking up early gives you power. Friends, repeat after me. I wake up early.
Again, slowly. I wake up early.
Perfect. So, what do you do first thing in the morning, Anna?
First, I stretch my arms. Then I drink a glass of water.
That's a great start. Stretching and water help your body wake up.
Yes. Then I make my bed. It's a small action, but it makes me feel ready.
Nice. Friends, try this small routine. Wake up early, stretch, drink water, make your bed, smile.
Yes, smile. It's a good way to start your day with happiness.
Okay, everyone, let's practice. Repeat after us. I wake up, I stretch, I drink water, I smile.
Good. Again, slowly. I wake up, I stretch, I drink water, I smile.
Perfect. Planning your day.
Now, after waking up, what's next?
Next is planning your day. A student should know what to do and when to do it.
Yes. For example, you can write your plan in a notebook or on your phone.
Like this. 7 o'clock, wake up. 7:30, breakfast. 8 o'clock, study English. 9 o'clock, class time. 12 o'clock, lunch. 2 o'clock, homework. 6 o'clock, exercise. 9:30, sleep.
That's a nice plan.
When you plan, you don't waste time thinking, what should I do now?
Right. You just follow your plan. Easy.
Friends, let's practice again. I plan my day.
Slowly now. I plan my day.
Good.
And if you forget your plan, don't worry. Just check your list again.
Yes, and sometimes reward yourself after finishing a task. Like, I finished my homework, now I can eat ice cream.
Yes, small rewards make study fun.
The Pomodoro Technique. Study smarter. Okay, Anna, let's talk about study time. Have you heard of the Pomodoro Technique?
Yes, it's my favorite.
For our listeners, this is how it works. You study for 25 minutes, then you take a 5-minute break.
Right. 25 minutes, focus. 5 minutes, relax.
After 4 rounds, take a longer break, maybe 20 to 30 minutes.
It's a simple way to keep your brain active without feeling tired.
Yes, you can use your phone timer or apps like Focus to Do or PomoFocus.
Let's practice saying it. I study for 25 minutes and rest for 5 minutes.
Again, I study for 25 minutes and rest for 5 minutes.
Perfect.
When you study with focus, you remember more and finish faster.
Exactly. Don't study for 3 hours without a break. Your brain will say, "Help me."
Yes, be kind to your brain. Study smart, not just long. Time management tips.
So, Mr. B, how can students manage time better?
Good question. I have 3 easy tips.
Oh, I like lists. Let's hear them.
Tip 1 is write your to-do list every night. That helps you start the next morning ready.
Nice.
Tip 2, do the most important thing first. Morning time, best focus time.
Yes, don't check social media first. Finish one task, then relax.
Tip 3, use a timer or alarm. It helps you stay on track.
That's great. So, friends, repeat after us. I manage my time well.
Again, slowly, I manage my time well.
Excellent.
And remember, time is like money. Spend it wisely.
True. Don't waste time scrolling funny cat videos before your test.
Yes, save the cat videos for later.
Avoiding distractions. Now let's talk about distractions.
Yes, the biggest enemy of students.
True. Distractions are things that stop you from studying, like your phone, noise, or even snacks.
Yes, when you study, try to find a quiet place.
Put your phone away or turn off notifications.
You can even tell your friends, hey, I'm studying right now. Talk to you later.
Good idea. Friends, repeat after us. I stay focused when I study.
Again, slowly, I stay focused when I study.
Great.
And remember, if you lose focus, don't worry. Just stop, take a deep breath, and start again.
Yes, focus is like a muscle. You can train it.
Boop 30.
Healthy habits, sleep, food, and exercise.
Now, Anna, let's talk about something students forget, health.
Yes, many students sleep late, eat junk food, and sit all day.
That's true, but good health helps your brain and memory.
You need good sleep, good food, and good movement.
Exactly. Let's start with sleep. You need 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night.
Yes, when you sleep well, your brain can remember what you studied.
Now, about food. Eat more fruits and vegetables. They give energy.
And drink water. Your brain loves water.
Next, exercise. Walk, run, dance, or stretch. Move your body every day.
Friends, repeat after us. I sleep well, eat well, and move my body.
Again, slowly. I sleep well, eat well, and move my body.
Perfect.
And healthy habits equals strong mind equals better study.
Balancing study, fun, and relaxation. Now, Mr. B, do you study all day?
Of course not. My brain needs fun too.
Exactly. Balance is important. You need time to study And time to relax.
Yes, watch a movie, read a story, play with friends, or listen to music.
Just don't forget to come back to your plan.
Right. Study, rest, repeat.
Friends, repeat after us. I study, I relax, I have fun.
Again, slowly. I study, I relax, I have fun.
Good job. Learning English naturally.
Okay, Anna, how can students use their daily routine to learn English?
Oh, easy. You can make English part of your life.
Yes, listen to English podcasts while brushing your teeth.
Or read one English sentence before bed.
Or label things in your room. Door, table, mirror.
Exactly. When English becomes part of your day, you learn faster.
Friends, repeat after us. I learn English every day.
Again, I learn English every day.
Excellent.
You don't need to study English for hours. Just 15 minutes every day can make a big change.
Yes, consistency is the secret.
Real-life practice example.
Okay, Anna, let's give our listeners a small speaking practice.
Good idea. Friends, listen and repeat.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I study English.
I take a break.
I do my homework.
I exercise.
I read a book.
I sleep early.
Perfect! That's a healthy and happy daily routine.
Yes, if you repeat these sentences every day, your English will sound more natural.
Short review.
All right, friends, let's review what we learned today. Ready?
Here we go.
Number 1, have a daily routine.
Number 2, wake up early and plan your day.
Number 3, use the Pomodoro Technique.
Number 4, manage your time well.
Number 5, avoid distractions.
Number 6, sleep well, eat healthy, and move your body.
Number 7, balance study, fun, and relaxation.
And number 8, study English every day.
Perfect summary.
Now, friends, think about your own routine. What time do you wake up? When do you study? How can you make your day better?
That's your homework for today.
Yes, make your own daily routine in English and say it out loud.
Thank you for joining us today, friends.
We hope this episode helps you build a strong and happy daily routine.
Remember, small steps every day make big results.
Yes, you can do it. Believe in yourself.
And don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
ding!
See you next time on Learn English with MrB and Anna.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.